Hey y'all, here I am back again with another tech tip. Today I'm going to talk about Google document tabs. Funny story, a couple weeks ago I was opening up another Google Doc, a new Google Doc, and this stupid document tab sidebar popped up again. It's a new feature, but it pops up with every new document. It was really irritating. I Googled how to get rid of it by default, and I found out it's super helpful. Let me show you what it can do by way of demonstrating with an assignment I gave to my students about a week ago. So in this, if you can imagine a 3-ring binder with pages that are tabbed over here on the side, and that's exactly what it is. So this first page is the spot for their response, where they're going to type their response right here. The second tab over here is the instructions for the assignment, including links here with information how to complete it. Over here I gave them a list of topic options to choose from, and then I even had an exemplar over here on the last tab so I could show them what I wanted it to look like. And so I was able to contain all this information here. When the student gets it, it looks just like this. They can minimize it and pop it out again. And then if they want to, they can scroll to the bottom and you can see it comes up. If I keep scrolling down, I click on it, scroll down to the bottom, it pops up, and I could just move through the tabs that way too. And the reason I have their response on the top instead of the bottom is because once I assign it in Google Classroom, it'll give me a thumbnail of everybody's assignment, and I can tell at a glance without even opening it who has started the assignment, because otherwise it'll look like this blank screen. If I had this as the top page, this is what I would see for everyone, and I would have to click into all of them. Anyway, you can use this to do all sorts of assignments. It's only in Google Docs. It's not in Slides or Sheets or any of the other ones. But like I said, with Google's connectivity, you can have links to all different pages in the Google suite of apps. There you go.